Hello, everyone. Today we introduce the simple numerical control system E21. Now we see the machine model is 63T2500, which can be folded into a 3 mm thickness and 2.5 meters long iron pipe. Let's start it. First, switch the key, then release all the emergency stop buttons, press the oil pump to start. And after starting, we will raise the slider to the highest point. We can press the down arrow to operate the black gauge. XB is to control the X-axis stroke. For example, we need 50 mm. We input 50 mm. YP is the control angle programming. The larger the number, the larger the angle, the smaller the number, the smaller the angle. Of course, each manufacturer sets different. We can observe the motor on the cylinder is positive, or reverse. Positive is the deeper the angle pressure, the reverse is the shallower the angular pressure, which is shown separately in the later Y-axis and X-axis videos. Next, let's look at the operation of the P key. Click on the Meet is multi-step editing. We randomly enter a page such as this number 2 page. Click on it. There are editing steps, the number of prefabricated pieces, etc. We enter the operation under such as 3 steps. Press the right key to enter a third step, step-by-step editing. This is multi-step editing. This operating system can support English display. Enter the language setting. Press 0 is Chinese. Press 1 is English. Press P will enter a parameter setting. Generally we do not recommend users to enter the cage for editing.